Today we're going to be showing you a tiered seating installation that we carried out at a cathedral in Coventry. Here at Unistage, our modular tiered seating we offer is perfect for a variety of locations, from schools and universities to cathedrals just like this one. The reason our modular seating works so well is because it's so easy to put together and pack away, making owning and using our tiered seating products a breeze. Being entirely modular, our seating systems simply click into place to create whatever type of seating you'd like, and to pack them away, just disconnect them and stack them ready for next time. The modular seating we offer nationwide is extremely sturdy and safe, which is another major selling point, especially for locations such as cathedrals, where the seating may be used by children, elderly, or disabled people. And finally, all of our seating is totally customizable, from the colour and material of the seating itself, to safety rails, balances, ramps, underneath storage, and more. So whatever type of tiered seating you're looking for, our Unistage modular seating is fully customizable and perfect for your needs. If you're interested in our tiered seating and you'd like to know more, please feel free to get in touch with one of our experts today, and we can provide you with everything you need to know.